No one knew how long I was feeling, and the emptiness I tried so hard to hide. Though I laughed and said my life was fine without you, I was covering up the secret tears I cried. Then one day someone told me of your mercy and the love you showed that day on Calvary. There you died and purchased my redemption. When you broke sin's power and set my spirit free, I'm amazed that you love me. I'm amazed how you care. Through your precious blood, I found pardon, and my sins are washed. They're all washed away. All my sins are washed away. Yes, it's true. There have been days when I failed you. Lord, you know the many times I've gone astray. But I've learned your love is stronger than my weakness, and your ear is open every time I pray. No one else could ever care for me like you.